today we are going to discuss about shopping network in Google Ads. What is this shopping ads? So how we can perform using this shopping ads? What is this shopping ads in Google Ads, and who has to use this shopping ads, and how it gonna helpful for any business? So now let us see. So first of all, what is shopping ads? Shopping ads are nothing but if you can search for any query regarding a products. Let's say I'm gonna search for shoes. So can you see on top
Yes, ma'am.
Relive Night? So a shop shoes for men. So here it is showing me entire product details along with the price tags. Can you see?
Mm-hmm.
So it is giving me, and it is displaying you the ADS text even, right? So these are
Yes, ma'am.
shopping ads. Shopping ads are mostly preferable by an e-commerce websites like Amazon, Flipkarts and all. So why? Because e-commerce websites only will be having a products to sell. So if you can take a Digicourse, do I have any products in my website? No. So I don't
Okay.
have a product. So I won't be able to use this shopping ads in Google Ads platform. So why? Because I don't have any products to sell. So there is no point of using shopping ads. So that is what I'm telling you. It's only preferable by an e-commerce websites who sell some products. So if you can see, all these are coming from e-commerce websites only. And what is this ad? Amazon.co.uk. So this is also an ad, right? This is also an
Yes, ma'am.
e-commerce website. Then what's the main difference between these ads and these ads? What's the main difference?
These are, ma'am, search ads.
Very good. These are a search ads, right? Search ads are of mainly a text ads. Whereas if you can see shopping ads are in detail, right? It is exactly showing you the product. So product image, product title, and the price tag and the website name even. So it is exactly giving the details of the product. So whereas here it is showing you overall, website informations or website title and meta descriptions, right? So now we have already seen how to create such type of search network and how to display such type of ads in SCRP. So now let us see how to create such type of ads in a Google Ads platform. Okay, so before I start, let me just write down few important things. So tell me where it appears. It appears in.
Search engine SRP, ma'am. Yes.
So what is the bidding type here? The bidding type
CPC.
can be
Yes.
CPC or CPA. Okay, CPA is like acquisition, or you can call it as a action also. That means when someone purchases the product only, I'll be paying money to Google. Okay, so we can also use a CPC, but most probably we'll be using this CPA only. And so what is the format of the ad? The format of the ad, it is showing
Image.
with image along with the text.
Text.
So the next, what is in which devices it appears? Have you ever
All,
noticed
ma'am.
ad? Yes.
Yes.
So we have noticed such type of ads in all devices like mobiles, tablets, and desktops even. Right, all devices. So now let us see how to do that. So now tell me, Darshan, this all these search networks or display or YouTube or mobile app network. So we have seen how to create all those network types in Google Ads. So what was the platform we have mainly used for creating all those? What was the
Google Ads,
platform?
ma'am.
Google Ads, right? So Google Ads
Yes.
was the only platform we have used to create all types of networks. But whereas here, shopping ads, in order to create a shopping ads, only with the help of Google Ads, you cannot create entire shopping ads. Okay. So you need a one more platform, which is Google Merchant Center. Google Merchant Center. So you have to take a help of this Google Merchant Center. So only with the Google Ads we cannot do. 50% of the advertisements or 50% of the work can be done with the help of Google Ads, and remaining 50% of the work can be done with the help of Google Merchant Center. So in order to make it very clear for you, I can tell you one thing. So can you tell me how is the account structure of Google Ads looks like? The account structure generally. First thing is to create a campaigns.
Campaign.
The next,
Yes.
ad
Demographics,
groups,
ma'am. Ad groups.
and then keywords and
Ad.
ads, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
campaigns, ad groups, keywords, and ads. These are our four level present in the Google Ads, right? So all these four levels will be performing within the Google Ads only. So whereas here for shopping ads, in the Google Ads platform, you will be performing only two techniques, that is 50% as I said. Campaign level and ad group level. Ad group level you will be performing in Google Ads. Remaining keywords and ad levels. Keywords and ads level you will be performing in a Google Merchant Center. Okay, so you can consider them as a keywords and ads, or you can simply call them as a product feed. Product feed. Okay, you can call them as a product feed, or you can, just for making you understand, I am telling you that keywords and ads. So we generally call them as a feed. Okay, in the Merchant Center we will be giving a product feed actually. So can you see here there is an ad displaying with a title and with the price tag, and then Neiman's, it is showing you the website address, website name even. So actually how it happens, so generally how this ad appears, so when we create a campaigns, ad groups, and finally we'll create such type of ads, right? So we used to create some extensions even, then we can add for the ad groups. So that's the reason this is how our ad appears. Then how to create such type of ad, this is also an ad, right? But it is not exactly like an ad, so we can simply call it as a creating a feed. So once you create a feed, then your ad will appear like this in a CRP by using a merchant center. So without a merchant center, you cannot create a shopping ads. Merchant center is mandatory. Okay. So campaigns and ad groups in the Google Ads interface, and keywords and ads in the Google Merchant Center interface. Okay. Before we get into that, but we know that how to use Google Ads. So now let us start with the Merchant Center and see how we can use this Merchant Center and how we can give a product feed and all. Okay. Center, let me just write down the steps to perform. Okay, so first thing is create an account. Then second thing is claim your website, and third thing is create feed. Then fourth, connect Google Merchant Center account to Google Ads. The next final level is just to create a campaigns and ad groups. That's it. So first of all, you have to create an account in GMC, Google Merchant Center. Then you have to claim your website. Okay, so before you perform all these five steps, make sure you have an e-commerce website. So as I said already, so we are not going to perform any activities with the service oriented website. It is not possible even. So if you have some products to sell, then only it is useful, otherwise. So if you have some service oriented, you can simply skip using this shopping ads. So make sure you have some e-commerce website. So create an account and then claim your website, then create a feed, then connect your GMC to your GA, then finally create campaigns and ad groups in Google Ads. Right. So our first step is to create an account. Let's see how to create an account. So sign into Merchant Center once. We are here, unfortunately now here it is asking us to sign up. So as Google Merchant Center found we don't have any account without mail ID, so we just have to sign up. So click on sign up. List your products for free on Google. Give your business name, so enter your business name. So random, I'll go with just random name. Then business country, choose your country. Then timing zone, Where do you want your customers to check out? On your website or your local store? So obviously, website. So what other tools do you use? If you are using any Shopify and PayPal's, you can just check them. So as of now, we are not using any of those. Then if you want to get notifications or emails from Google Merchant Center, then choose them, otherwise not required. Then accept the terms and conditions, then finally create an account. Right. Great, your account is now ready to use. Let's finish the remaining steps to get you fully set up and running. So now you can click on later also to access the interface of Google Merchant Center, but I don't prefer going with it. So set up entire Merchant Center properly. So continue. Right. So can you see left hand side here we have a few options. We have to set up all those things. So first thing is add a business details. So give your business details properly. So I'm just giving a business details, and then here comes give the phone number. So I'll verify number. So text message. Continue. So I'm gonna verify my contact number now. So I just want to check whether I got any message. Yes, it seems I got something. Finish. Right. So now you have added your business information. Let's get into the next step. So verify and claim your website. So you have to, if it doesn't ask you such type of question, so anyone can run advertisements for any website right now. I can run advertisements for Amazon and Flipkart too if it doesn't ask the verification. So here we have to verify whether the website is ours or not. If not, your ad will not run. So let us take some random website. Okay, it is still loading. All right, so there you go. You can see the HTML tag it is displaying. You just have to copy it and paste it in the header section of your websites. So now let's get into the website theme editor. And so let's go far right side and click on header, header.php. So there you can see here the head section starts and closes. I'll just take some gap and paste over here and then update file. Right, so now then let me click on verify website. Let's see. Okay, so once you have choose your website here, so once you have applied a HTML tag in your website, you can see it is showing you claim your website. That means you are going to tell to Google Merchant Center that hey, this is our website. Okay, so let us just claim the website now. Right. So now the website is successfully claimed. So we're done with the two steps. All right, so now let's just continue the process. Set up shipping. So give a name for your shipping services and choose the country. and the currency, delivery location, so the customer address. Next. Delivery time. So like how much time will your products or will your business will take time to deliver any product. So once after they order the product, how much time you gonna take to deliver. So let's say 1 to 7, 1 to 7, Monday to Friday. Okay, then next. So customer shipping cost. So are you available? All of your products are available for free shipping, or so do you charge certain amount or flat rate? So I'll go with some flat rate around. Let's say I charge 60 rupees as a shipping price, and then save this. Right. Continue. Setup shipping. We are done with the setup shipping. The next thing is add products. So here there are two ways of adding a product. So one thing is adding a product one by one, and another thing is adding a multiple product at once. So now tell me, Darshan, if you're running an advertisements, will you run ad only for one product? Will
No,
you
ma'am.
run? No, right? We'll be having a
Yes.
multiple products, and we have to run the advertisements for multiple products. So at that time, adding a product one by one would be very difficult for us. So that's the reason I would recommend going with this multiple products at once. Right. Choose your country of sale, choose your language, and then click on continue. So here comes give a name for your feed. This is what we are going to do. So feed means product feed. That is what keywords and ad level we are performing. So I'm just gonna give a random name like shop. Okay. So here you can choose any of these methods to connect with your products. So I'm gonna choose Google Sheet, that is very flexible for me. So if you have any Google spreadsheet existed, you can use that, or you can generate a new spreadsheet. So I would go with the generate new Google spreadsheet. So create a feed now. All right. So now no Google Sheets data fetched it. Now access Google Sheet. So now we are going to get access for the Google Sheets. So there you go. This is the where I can say this is the pillar of Google Merchant Center. This is where the exact work that we're gonna do. So it is just giving you the details about this, the sheet and all. So it is not required. I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna give you all the guidance. Not required. So I'm just gonna delete all those stuff. Yes. So here, so there you go. This is what ID first of all. So this is a product ID. So Darshan, you might know if you have worked for an e-commerce website, or we have seen how to create an e-commerce website at the beginning, right? With the WooCommerce. So they were there we tried giving the product ID, unique ID, right? So this is the same. Okay, so here you have to give a product ID. You might also noticed some in the Instagram while you go through the the shopping pages in the Instagram, you can see for each and every product there will be having some unique code. So that is called here ID. Okay, so make sure the ID is very unique from one product to another product. So I'm just gonna give some Then here you go, the title. So the title of the product that you want to run an advertisements. So before that, let us choose some, let us get into the website and choose the product carefully. Okay. So for that, I would go with, okay. Now I would like to run an advertisements for Now I would like to run an advertisement for this product right over here. If you can see, can you tell me what is the title of this product? Title means simply the name of the product. Okay. So can you tell me what's the name of a product here? This is right. So take the name of your product and then put it over here in the title place. The next, description. So description means, the small description about your product. Let me give the small description about this. Okay, I'll just go and use this small description. So copy it and then paste it. Right, description. And there you go, there is a link option. Link means the product link. Okay, so if you can see here, when I search for shoes for men, so when I click this, where I will redirect to, so where it leads to, it leads to the exact product page, or is it going to take you to the home page of the website?
Proper
The
product page,
product,
ma'am.
the exact product page, right? The same way here, when someone click on your ad, even they have to redirect to your product page, not your home page. Okay, so can you see, this is my product page link. So I just have to take this and then put it over here, link option. Then condition, whether it's a new product or used product. So it's a new product. And then price, the price of the product. Okay, so the price. Okay, so make sure you give the currency also. Okay, and then availability, whether it is in stock or out of stock. In stock. Image link. So here when I search for shoes for men, right, it is as it is giving me the image of that product. Okay, so you also have to give the same image link. So I'm going to take the image link and then put it over here. So when someone searches for any query, this image link, I mean this image will appear over here like this. Then the next thing is GTI and MPN. Okay, leave those. Then brands, give the brand of this, brand name of this product. Okay, the brand name is okay, it's like Carrot Glow Lotion. Okay, I'll go and give. So brand name is like this, um, Nika, or else Nika lotion, or else what we call them, some Adidas, like this. So those are our brand names. You also have to give a name of your brand. So let's say if you are selling other brands in your product in your website. So now Amazon is there. So Amazon is the combination of all the types of products, right? So Lenovo is a brand, then HP is a brand, then Apple is a brand. So all those products will be sold in an Amazon, right? So Amazon should specify what is the brand of the product. So like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna specify. The next, here comes Google product category. So actually, where your ad appears, Darshan, your ad appears when someone searches for any
So,
query in SCRP. Yes or no? That means,
yes.
do I have to give the keywords or not? So for which
Yes,
keywords I
ma'am,
would
you have
like to
to.
show up here. But whereas this is not a search network, right? This is not a search network where it works according to the keywords. No, your shopping ads does not work according to the keywords. It works according to the category that you have set up. Okay, so whatever the category you choose for your product, if someone searches for any query that related to that product category, then your product ad tends to appear in SCRP. So here the main important role is choosing the category properly. So if you don't choose the product category properly, then you are done. So your ad will not appear for a proper keywords. Then how to find out the product category properly then? So in order to find out the proper category, so we have Google taxonomy options. So open a new browser and search for Google. So if you search like this, Google will show you a taxonomy option right over here. So here you just have to find out your product category. So what is your product actually? It is all about, it's a lotion, right? Skin.
Yes, ma'am.
Control F and search for skincare. Let's see. So can you see how many? 6,400. Oh, skincare. Let me. So here comes, I have something like skincare tools, skincare lotion, sunscreen applicators. Is this fine? So will my product comes under this category or not? Health and beauties, personal care, cosmetics, cosmetic tools, skincare tools, lotion and sunscreen applicators. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it's a lotion. So what I'll do is I'll come and copy this entire taxonomy and then come back here and then paste over, right? So like that's it. So this is how you just have to apply the proper category for any of the product that you apply over here. Am I done with the keywords and ads level, Darshan? Tell me. So did I give, now observe this ad properly here. Shoes for men. Now did I give the image link? Did I give the
Yes,
title?
ma'am.
Did I give the price tag? Did I give the website link? Yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Am I done with the
No,
creation of ad level?
no, ma'am, not yet.
Like this, I didn't create now in the Google Sheets. So
Ah,
didn't I
okay,
give
that
the
one is fine.
title?
Yes.
Didn't I give the description? Didn't I give the
Ah,
website link? Didn't I give the price tag? Didn't I give the image links? And then
mm,
I have choose for which keywords I would like to show my ad. So tell me for which
yes.
keywords my ad tends to appear when someone searches for any query which is suitable for this category, then my ad tends to appear for that keyword. Clear now? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Got it.
like this, you just have to add the products, whatever the product for whatever the products you want to run in advertisements. So you can add 1,000 products, lakhs of products over here. Okay, so this is the best option I would prefer going with if you have a multiple products to run the advertisements. So is it clear, Darshan, how to add the multiple products for running an advertisements in Merchant Center? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So,
Got it. Yes.
so now click on fetch now. Now here comes privacies and policies and final review. Done. So now I'm done with the setuping a Google Merchant Center and I have also created a feed. Okay. So now here it will take some days to review entire our products. Basically, don't think that once you have set up your account in Merchant Center, once you have added all of your products, you can start running it. No. So it requires a lot of things. Google will take a minimum 2 to 3 days just to review your website. Okay, just to find out whether your products are genuine or not, just to find out whether your products are helpful for the users or not. It will consider all the policies and all. Then finally it will allow you to run an advertisement. So it will take some process to review entire your website. Okay, right. So now let's do one. I'm done with the creation of account, and I'm also done with the claiming of a website, and I'm also done with the creation of a feed. So I just have added the products. So the next thing is, what's the next process? Next process is to
Connecting
connect
GMC.
GMC to a Google Ads. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
click this settings option. There you can see linked accounts. Click this. So here you just have to click on link account and then enter your Google Ads customer ID. Okay. So let me just take one new Google Ads account, or you can take your existing Google Ads account also. No. Okay, so now if you can see, this is my Google Ads ID. So let me take this, copy it, and come back to your Google Merchant Center and enter the customer ID over here and link request. So now I'm sending a request for a Google Ads to connect with the Merchant Center. Okay, so now the link, the request has been sent. So now go back to your Merchant Center and click on Tools. There you go. Click on this linked accounts, whether you have received any request from Merchant Center or not. Yes, of course. I can see here Google Merchant Center. So click on Manage and Link. And can you see? View request. So there you go. It is giving us the store name, the Merchant Center ID, and the website. Click on Approve. So now we are going to accept the request of the Merchant Center. Done. We have successfully linked the Google Merchant Center account to the Google Ads. So what's the next process? What's the next step? The final step is to create a campaigns and ad groups in a Google Ads, right? So how do we create a campaigns and ad groups in Google Ads? So we knew it. Create a new campaign and then choose the campaign without a goal guidance. So tell me, which campaign type do I have to choose now, Darshan?
The third one, ma'am. Shopping.
Shopping ads. So can you see, select the linked accounts on your website, Merchant Center. So automatically the Merchant Center account has been selected because we have already linked with the Google Ads. So select the country where your products are sold. Okay, India. Now, smart shopping campaign and standard shopping campaign. Okay, smart is entirely automated version. So go with the standard if you want to manually, if you want to set up everything on your own. I would recommend going with the standard. If not, if you want to give right to Google, then go with the smart. So give a name for your campaign. So I would choose a bidding type. Choose CPC. Okay, I'll go with somewhere around 100. Then budget, how much you would like to spend daily average. On an average, how much you would like to spend per day. Then here comes networks. So where do you want to show up your ads? If you want to show up or are your ads only on SCRP, then exclude this. So if you choose this, what happen? Your ad will appears in display partner websites also. And device, eligible devices, all devices. all devices. Then locations, in which location you want to show up this ad. Then starting dates, end dates, choose on which date you want to start running and which date you want to stop running. Then give a name for your ad group. Then create campaign. All right. So now new campaign has been added. So can you see this now? Am I done with campaigns and ad groups? Yes. So am I done with the two more
Yes,
steps
ma'am.
even in Google Ads? Yes. Yeah, that's it. You don't have to do
Yes, ma'am.
anything. So here you don't have to give your image or you don't have to give anything like a same like a search and display. You don't have to create an ad in the Google Ads. Why? Because we have already given all the details. So when someone searches for any query, Google will automatically generate all your headlines, all your titles and descriptions on SCRP. Did you understand now? Wasn't it easy? So this is how we create a shopping ads using Merchant Center and Google Ads. I hope it brought you value. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next tutorial. Take care. Bye bye.